So I am in Adobe Color and I'm looking at my libraries, and I want to delete some of my existing color palette libraries that I'm not using, but I could not figure out how to do it from Adobe Color because no matter what I did, right clicking, I could not get rid of any of these. But I figured it out. You actually have to go to Adobe Creative Cloud and it's stored in your CC libraries. So if we just click this button at the top right-hand corner, it'll take us to the cloud storage. And then we can go to Files. And here, if we go to Libraries, we can find our color palettes that we've saved. And here I have pastel pink. I've got I can go to files and see all my files. That's not what I was looking for though. Like I said, I want color palettes. So now if I select any of these, I can delete them by just clicking on that check mark. I can delete more than one at a time if I want. And then just go to the bottom and click the triple dots and go to delete. And now that is gone from my color palettes menu. I can do this one as well. And I've cleaned it up a little, and now I can create new and improved color palettes, and it'll reflect this change. If you go over to Adobe Express, I will no longer have those old palettes that I made junking up my work. And same thing here in Adobe Color. If I refresh it, I now have less color palettes to worry about, and I can add more and just clean it up. So yeah, you have to go over to Adobe Creative Cloud, unfortunately, and go over to your files, and there you will find your color palettes. I found it under libraries and brands. I hope this helped you guys. This was such a pain in the butt for me. So yeah, if you guys like Adobe products, please watch some of my playlists. I've got a lot of tips and tricks and troubleshooting. And thank you.